Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to Winco. I have about $100 to spend and I want to see how much I can get, and that seems like the perfect store to go to with $100, don't you think? So let's go. So a couple of things that I'm on the hunt for. Gluten-free Oreos. I think they're out. Let me know down below if they're at your store. Let's go in. Here's the aisle of savings. Let's see what I could use over here. Oh, yes. So I'm planning meals around potatoes. So this is a 10-pound bag, and you know I'm sniffing them, you guys. All right, checking out the cookies. You guys, they have them gluten-free. I'm gonna get some for Paul. I'm kind of at a loss as what to get. How is this for wind blown? Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see out there, but there are some thunderclouds coming our way. So I need to hurry up and unpack and show you what I bought. Here comes the rain. All right, here we go. So this is what $100 will buy. Actually, it came out to $95. So I'm pretty pleased, although I was kind of stumped on what I was going to buy. So I'll just tell you the meals that I'm going to create and some of the things that I got for lunches as well. So right behind me here is the store. It's like the Shasta. Yeah, so Diet Cola, Shasta, and then I love getting the Diet Cream Soda. So Ezra and I will love those ones. He's back there going like this. And then I just picked up the Diet Cokes for Paul or whoever. Right here is a 10-pound bag of potatoes. So like I said, I am going to be making meals off of that. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to bake half of them, and I'll tell you more about what I'm going to create as a meal. Here are some bagels. One of my favorite breakfast and even lunch is a toasted bagel with sliced tomatoes in it with cream cheese and lots of lemon pepper. It's my favorite. So if you haven't had tomatoes and lemon pepper together, oh man, do yourself a favor and try it. But you have to like tomatoes first. So, and then let me know when you do, because what a good combo. Okay, so these were $2.50. I like to just put them in the freezer and then just thaw them out one at a time so that way they don't go bad. All right, so I love going to Winco and buying their Girl Scout cookie dupes. So these are $1.38, $1.38, and $1.68. So what a good price. And so I like to keep these for when we get together with some friends. We like to go once a week or so to the park, and I just bring one of these and the boys love it. And it's funny because I just saw the mom, my friend, at Winco as well. So funny. Okay, so let me put those aside. Okay, what else I found? I told you, gluten-free Oreos, but then I picked up some regular ones in case the kids were like, why didn't we get any? So these are gonna be primarily for Paul, but I think I wanna try it. Okay, they smell just like Oreos. Okay. I don't know how they did it. It's got the same calories. It tastes nearly the same. Amazing. And it's got like the same, nearly the same, like across the board. Wow. They use rice flour, which that's what we use a lot with Paul's cooking. So, wow. He's gonna like these a lot. So, if you're doing gluten-free, you have to let me know when you see these and try them, and let me know what you think, if you want to. Because they're good. They taste just like Oreos. I picked up some more milk, so we'll have milk and cookies later. Some bananas. Now these ones are a little bit on the greener side, so that gives us a few days, right, to use them. I just picked up some sour cream. I love adding like some of the sour cream into like an enchilada sauce, and then it makes it like a creamy base, and then add it to your favorite like enchilada casserole or however you want to do it. But I only like to do it for the green enchiladas. So I'm sure it'd probably be good in the red ones too. I picked up this snack pack. I was thinking convenience here. I was so surprised that Winco carried these like, they sell them at Costco, but they're normally like, I want to say for 6 of them, it's almost like $7 or $8. These are $2.38 for 3. So I think that's a great price for convenience. And we picked up one of these barbecue chickens. So when Paul, like this will be good for Paul. He'll have it with some rice, maybe some veggies from the freezer section, from my freezer. And that will be a good meal. He'll probably have this with leftovers for lunch the next day. Maybe Jonas will have a little bit too. So this is really good. It won't feed our whole family unless I use 2 packs. But that's okay, because I'll show you what else I got. Does your store have options with paper bag? I love that Winco has that option. Not all of my stores that I go to have that option, but I use them for recycling. So I will just have one bag open, throw as many recyclable goods into it, and then we'll just go drop it into the recycle bin that we have outside. Makes it so easy. But when I don't have paper bags, let me show you what I have. These are like washable, and so we just have to like dump them out. It's not my kids' favorite chore because sometimes, you know, when I rinse things, they're a little bit on the wet and the damp side. So it kind of anyway, it's just water, right? It's not a big deal, but my boys freak out. Okay, I picked up some more Grandma Sycamore wheat bread. This is Ezra's favorite, and that's fine. I don't mind picking up a loaf here. I know Kobe will eat it. He'll eat it with cheese sandwiches. He's been doing that lately. So I picked this up, and I picked up some honey ham as well in case we wanted to just make ham and cheese sandwiches, or maybe hot ham and cheese sandwiches for lunches. And if I start to get low on my my ham cups, I could just use this ham. I just like to cut it right in here, make a perfect square, and then I have those little slivers to put 2 together, crisscross. Makes it perfect for breakfast. Another thing I picked up for lunches, I just picked up some corn dogs. I just thought that, you know, with the boys, especially Jonas being online school, his lunch is pretty early, and I'm also working during that time teaching classes, so he can just microwave himself something to eat. Corn dogs seem pretty easy to me. For breakfast, this is Ezzy's favorite, so I hope he can get a few days out of this because it's also his brother's favorite. So we got some chocolate chip waffles. And then I thought I would make some more of the overnight oats with the chocolate banana. So I just use this whole thing and then multiply the recipe times 10. And then I just use a little less milk. So easy peasy. I picked up some of these chips because we still have some onion dip that we made. So we have to use it, right? And also for lunches, right? I picked up some eggs, like to keep a lot of those on hand. And a couple bags of tortilla chips, easy to make some easy nachos. But also I love to make taco soup with it. And then we just I like to crumble up the chips at the bottom of the bowl and put the soup in. With a little bit of sour cream and some cheese. It is the best. Here's my tomatoes for my bagels. So I got Roma tomatoes are my favorite. And these ones are pretty big for Roma tomatoes. So it's pleasantly surprised to find them. We love some apples, so I picked that up. And I also have some broccoli for those baked potatoes to make some broccoli cheese soup to pour on top. We have one more bag left. So I picked up some ground beef, so we could use that for making some tacos or some nachos or my favorite, taco soup. So maybe that's what we'll have this week. I also picked up some chicken breast. Now what I've been doing lately is just cooking it into the crock pot, you know, with some seasons and just kind of let it cook through. And then when it's all done, I take about half of it, shred it. I actually shred it all and then put it into 2 baggies, and that's enough for 2 meals for us. So I can have them ready to go. I'll put them in the freezer until I need them, but they're a quick alternative, or it's a quick fix for a night when I just don't know what to make for dinner. And it's the possibilities are endless with some chicken, right? Especially cooked chicken. I picked up some General Tao. This is like that and I'm probably saying it totally wrong. It's probably General So or something like that, huh? You'll let me know, I'm sure. It's spicy. So this is something that Paul and Jonas will eat. And then, if I make this, then I'll make some orange chicken for the rest of us, because Ezra is really liking orange chicken as of late, which I'm so excited about. And he will eat this with some rice and some veggies as well. And the last thing that I picked up is just some bean and cheese burritos that I could have for lunch. It is so good. It's so easy. I've tried it. I'm not a huge fan of refried beans in a can. It doesn't matter what the brand is. It tastes like very similar. But these burritos that are made in the freezer sections do not taste like the same beans. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. It tastes like they just made it and flash froze them. So I'm happy with that. This is not usually the brand that I normally get, so I'm happy to try something different. But I'm the only one that likes bean and cheese burritos until Isaiah gets home from his mission, and he will love these as well. Thanks for going with me to Winco today, just seeing what I could get with under $100, and it feels like I have enough here to last most of the week. So thanks so much again for going. Have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.